Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock KPIT Technologies Limited. We have already posted a video on this stock on May 6th of this year. The stock is more than 30% up from the price of suggestion. The stock actually hit the suggested target and now it's ready to give a one more opportunity for swing traders. So the stock is very good to go long, and now the stock is in a good bull run, so one can expect a good up move in this stock. Let us analyze the stock on technical basis now. In this monthly chart, the stock after a good consolidation, the stock started moving higher after 2020 crash. The stock was on the range since the listing. The listing price was around the price range of 107. The same range was acted as a resistance for more than 1 year, and the stock finally managed to move higher with a good bullishness, and now the stock is ready to give a fantastic opportunity. Now let's move to the weekly chart. Before moving to the weekly chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description so that you can get updates on these stocks on a regular basis. So after a small consolidation, the stock started moving higher. So this could be a good opportunity for going long. The stock on listing was on the same price range of 100, and for more than a year the same price range was maintained, and on COVID fall, the stock fell drastically to the price range of 38 or 40 range, and once again the stock started moving higher and it broke a major resistance level with good bullishness, and the volumes are just like that expanded on breakout, so it's a good breakout to be considered, and the volumes on the retracement is low, so it's a good retracement also, and the stock broke the previous high, and that too with a good bullishness, so it's a good stock to go long even at that time. After a breakout, the stock started rallying, so it's a good rally in the stock, and now the stock is ready to give you a fantastic opportunity once again. So now let's move to the daily chart. In the daily chart, this is the region where the stock faced resistance, and now the resistance was broken, and now the stock is ready to go higher. So look at the volumes on breakout. The breakout volume is very huge and sellers are quite dominating, but it's fine because the stock somehow managed to close higher. So it's a good, so I can consider this as a good breakout with a good volume, and the retracement volumes are very low, so it's a good retracement also. So it's fine to go long in the stock. We should afraid when the stock has heavy sellers or sellers dominating the stock, which means the sellers should not be 2 by 3 of the buying range. For instance, look at the candle of breakout. The buyers are very huge and the sellers are just 1 by 3. If the buying candle is like this, then the 1 by 3 can be a sellers, but 2 by 3 should be buyers. When this type of candle occurs, this is a bad breakout, so we should ignore that. But if the breakout with a good volume and good big candle with a small selling range can be taken as a good breakout. So this breakout can be taken as a good breakout, and volumes are also indicating the same. So the stock is good to go along. Then after retracement, the stock tried to move higher, but sellers dominated on the previous day candle, but somehow the next day the buyers managed to move higher, so it's a good comeback. So one can take entry above the price range of 280. It's for safe entry. So entry at current market price is also fine because the stock is good. A lower lows are forming and retracement volume is very low, so it's good to go long in the stock. And for safer entry, take entry above the price range of 280. So 280 can be taken as the entry, and let me draw the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target. By taking this as a retracement, we can place 280 as the entry and 316 as the target price in the stock. So 316 is very fine because the stock has bullishness and the stock was on the range for more than 2 months, so the stock will give you a fantastic return. So one can focus on the stock for short term gains, and the stock is very good because the business of the company is very good. So one can go long for long term also. So one can take entry at 280 level and 360 can be taken as the target for the stock, or one can take at current market price also. Same can be taken as the target. So it's almost a 12% upside from 280 price range, and at current market price entry can give a 18% return. So it's good to go long in the stock. One can expect the target within couple of months, so that you will get a 10% return on investment per month. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.